Colorize black and white photos using AI in Canva. Have you ever wondered how black and white photos would look in color? You no longer have to imagine because it's possible with the help of Canva and AI. I'll show you a simple process that will enrich your black and white photos with colors. Let's get started. Open a new project in Canva. On the left side, find the Apps section and click on it. In the search field, type Colorize and press Enter. Now, click on the icon named Colorize. Add your black and white photo by clicking on the Choose File option. Select the photo from your computer by clicking on it. The photo is now imported into the application. To colorize the photo, choose the Colorize Image option. Wait a few seconds for the process to finish. Your colorized photo will appear on the project. I will enlarge it and add the black and white photo for you to see the difference. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and follow the channel for more tutorials.